Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover Mailchimp versus MailerLite, which is the best email marketing software. Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes, but choosing the right platform can be daunting. With countless options available, how do you decide which software meets your needs? Today, we're diving into Mailchimp and MailerLite, two of the most popular email marketing services. We'll explore their features, ease of use, pricing, and more to help you determine which is the best fit for your business. Let's start by looking at the ease of use. Both Mailchimp and MailerLite are designed to be user-friendly, but MailerLite takes the lead for simplicity. Mailchimp offers a clean interface and straightforward setup process, ensuring you complete all necessary steps when creating campaigns. However, some users find navigation challenging, as certain features can be slightly hidden. For instance, locating the automation builder might require some digging. MailerLite, on the other hand, provides a more intuitive experience. Its layout is logical, and the interface is clean. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned email marketer, you'll feel at home. MailerLite provides a simple 3-step checklist to get you started, and there's a help button accessible from almost anywhere in the platform. Both platforms offer drag-and-drop editors, but MailerLite's editor is notably smoother. You can save content blocks for future use and set global styles for your emails, saving you time and effort. When it comes to templates, Mailchimp offers a whopping 274 modern-looking templates that are compatible with all devices. You can upload your own HTML templates and save brand elements like colors, fonts, and logos. However, Mailchimp doesn't allow saving individual content blocks for reuse. MailerLite offers over 100 email templates, but they're only available on paid plans. Free plan users need to build emails from scratch. This could be a deal breaker for those on a tight budget. However, MailerLite shines in landing page creation. You can host landing pages through MailerLite or on your own site, and even build entire websites using their builder. Few email marketing services offer this feature. MailerLite's form builder is also robust, allowing for pop-ups, embedded forms, and A/B testing. In terms of features, both platforms handle segmentation well, but MailerLite has the edge with better billing practices. Mailchimp allows decent segmentation, letting you combine filters based on email client usage and engagement levels, and you can add tags to organize contacts. However, Mailchimp charges for unsubscribed and duplicate contacts, complicating list management. MailerLite makes importing contacts straightforward with CSV files or direct Mailchimp imports. Subscribers can belong to multiple lists without being counted twice, a feature expected in modern email marketing. Plus, MailerLite offers tools to easily find and remove inactive contacts. Both platforms offer automation features, but they differ in accessibility. Mailchimp's automation is robust with over 100 templates, allowing follow-ups based on email opens, clicks, and abandoned carts. However, these features aren't available on free or pay-as-you-go plans, and you can't split test automations. MailerLite provides 15 automation templates and a visual workflow editor, making it easy to set up campaigns. You can create workflows based on form completion, group additions, or link clicks, and even A/B test subject lines within automations. However, advanced features like lead scoring and website tracking are missing. Integration is another area where Mailchimp shines, offering over 300 integrations, from e-commerce platforms like Shopify to social media and website tools. This makes Mailchimp a versatile choice for businesses needing diverse integrations. MailerLite connects with key platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify, which is great for e-commerce workflows. The Zapier integration expands its capabilities, and the Stripe connection allows for accepting payments. However, if advanced CRM features are necessary, MailerLite might feel limited compared to Mailchimp. MailerLite wins in monetization, allowing you to sell digital products directly through their platform with a built-in Stripe connection and 0% fees. You can even create a paid newsletter, a rare feature among competitors. Mailchimp requires third-party integrations for e-commerce functionalities and lacks a paid newsletter feature. Both platforms boast excellent deliverability rates, with Mailchimp at 92.6% and MailerLite at 92.7%, ensuring your emails reach inboxes rather than spam folders. However, Mailchimp offers more comprehensive reporting with features like email performance reports, Google Analytics integration, and click mapping. MailerLite's reports are more basic, but connecting Google Analytics can fill some gaps. Pricing is where MailerLite truly stands out. Mailchimp's free plan includes up to 500 contacts, but is limited to 1,000 emails per month, with no scheduling or automation features. Paid plans start at $75 per month for 5,000 contacts and can reach up to $350 for premium features, charging for all contacts, including inactive ones. MailerLite's free plan is far more generous, offering up to 500 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. The growing business plan starts at just $39 per month for 5,000 subscribers, with the advanced plan at $50. Both plans include unlimited emails and landing pages, plus access to all templates. MailerLite only counts active subscribers, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses. Customer support is another area where MailerLite excels. Mailchimp offers migration support only on their expensive premium plan, which feels steep. MailerLite positions itself as a self-service platform, but provides tools to import contacts from Mailchimp, making the transition easier. MailerLite also generally receives better customer satisfaction ratings, with a 4.4 Trustpilot score compared to Mailchimp's 3.0. In summary, while Mailchimp remains a strong contender with its extensive integrations and detailed reporting, MailerLite offers better value across the board. Its user-friendly interface, superior landing page capabilities, fair pricing, and helpful customer support make it a standout choice for most businesses. Now, let's dive into some practical examples and use cases to help you visualize how each platform might serve your business needs. Imagine you're a small business owner looking to expand your online presence. MailerLite could be your go-to if you want to quickly set up a landing page to capture leads without the need for a separate website builder. Its intuitive design makes creating clean, effective landing pages simple, even if you're not tech-savvy. This feature is invaluable for launching a new product or running a time-sensitive promotion. On the other hand, if your business relies heavily on data-driven decisions, Mailchimp might be more suitable due to its robust analytics and reporting capabilities. You can track customer engagement through detailed reports, allowing you to refine your strategy for maximum impact. This can be crucial for businesses that need to present detailed marketing results to stakeholders or investors. Avoiding common mistakes is key to successful email marketing. One frequent error, especially for beginners, is neglecting to clean up your contact list. With Mailchimp, it's important to regularly remove inactive subscribers to avoid unnecessary charges. In contrast, MailerLite's pricing model only counts active subscribers, giving you more flexibility without hidden costs. Troubleshooting is another area where having some guidance can be beneficial. If you're using Mailchimp and notice your emails aren't performing well, check the deliverability settings and ensure your emails aren't landing in spam folders. MailerLite users, make sure you're utilizing their A/B testing features to optimize subject lines and content. This small tweak can significantly improve open and click rates. Here's a useful tip. Leverage MailerLite's ability to create pop-ups and embedded forms for capturing leads directly from your website. It's a powerful way to grow your email list organically. For Mailchimp users, take advantage of its advanced integrations to automate and streamline processes across different platforms, saving you time and effort. Remember, choosing between Mailchimp and MailerLite ultimately depends on your business goals and budget. Both platforms offer unique advantages that can be harnessed effectively with the right approach. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand Mailchimp versus MailerLite, which is the best email marketing software, quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.